Hi there and welcome back. It's Tania from Tatty Treasures. Hello, I'm here to show another two Christmas kits. They're in Patreon and they're in Etsy. On Patreon you get 5 extra sheets on most of them. Some is more than 5, and there's also freebies in Patreon. So the first kit is called Blushmas, and then the second one is Pink Christmas. Okay, so this is an actual Patreon freebie, so anyone on tier 1 and above get all the freebies. So that's a freebie sheet, and so are these two. The light is shining out the pink. I think that might be better. Okay, yeah, that's I think that's better. Anyway, so that's like a wallpaper, but it is faint, but not as faint as it's showing. So these are the 5 extra sheets if you buy it in Patreon. So we've got a fussy cut page. We've got 4 cards. You can see you can cut them to make 4 separate cards, or you can, cut them that way and make 2 folding cards. You could turn them into pockets. I don't know, whatever. A collage page. This background and some music. Obviously I've put it in my printer a little bit wonky. So they're the 5 extra that you get, and these 35 pages are the kit in Etsy and obviously in Patreon. Okay, so we've got a lovely make a lovely center spread, or just a page, because it's nice each side. So I've got two of those different. So these are pages. Got this one that you can use as a cover, or the start of your signature, or just a page. Look nice and vellum, that one and that one. And then we've got as normal journal pages. So we've got the image on one side and then writing on the other side. Now, as I was printing, this is the last kit that my printer printed out. I've just had to rush out and get a new printer. So this isn't wonderful printing. Okay, that's another one. They've come out. It is a grungy kit, this, but they have come out, not as crisp looking. Yep. Then we've got some lined. I've not, cut the edges off or printed on the back. I've got another full lined, so you can print at the back, or just use that. Got a plain pink one, then the collage one without the florals, the portrait one, which you can obviously use that way. Again, you can use that way. And we've got this lovely wallpaper, another wallpapery type. So that's the pages, so lots of pages. I don't put a lot of ephemera in my kits because I think most people, you know, do like making their own ephemera. So I put more fussy cuts in than actual ephemera. So we've got a page of tags, got a page of pockets, and to keep them quite plain again so you can decorate them yourself. This can be used as an envelope or a folio, or you can sew it into your journal as a page. You could use that bit and attach another piece of paper as like a tip-in type thing. Got 2 pockets there, big envelope, and then 2 other side things. Again, you can attach paper, you know, at the back of that and have it as a tip-in, or you can use them as belly bands or side tucks. A few labels, okay, and then these are the fussy cuts, so some more florals. Love these. So I thought they'd be nice as actual pockets or journal cards. And I've got a nice big nutcracker, some Santas and snowmen, and then that lovely little girl. Some gingerbread people and a sleigh. Done the sleigh a little bit smaller there, some bells and ice skates and some pretty bows. Remember, you can print these off, you know, 2 to a page, 4 to a page to get different sizes. Okay, so that's the fussy cuts. So like I say, it's a 35-page kit, 40 if you get it on Patreon, and there's another 3 extra freebies on Patreon as well. So that would make it, you know, there is 43 pages to that kit. So this is a lighter kit, but you can tell that the printing's obviously a lot better than the first one. So I will show you the, let me just think, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I've lost part of it. Hold on. Okay, I actually made a mistake. That's a freebie on Patreon for that kit, and those 2 are on Patreon for the pink Christmas. So they're still on Patreon, and obviously you could use them with whatever kit, and you know, whatever, it doesn't have to be my kit anyway. So they're the 2 which are on Patreon. These are the 5 which you get if you buy the kit from the Patreon shop. So here you can cut those down and then fold them in, you know, like that. So I thought you could make little notebooks with them, or you could use them as journal cards. You could use that as the back of your journal card, or cut them into 4 individual. They could also be pockets with them being that way. Then we've got 2 lovely, I think they're like, I think that's a bakery. So two shops. I've done them quite big because I thought, you know, you could use those as pockets. Obviously use it as your topper for your journal and decoration, and you can print them, you know, smaller than that. Got a page of Santas and presents, and then a couple of backing sheets. That pink's really not coming out very well at all. Oh no, that's terrible. Okay, that's better. I've turned the light down a little bit and gone a bit closer. Where am I? yes, so that's another one of the freebie sheets, and so is that. That's got that fleur de, yeah, that in it. So they're the 5 extra from the Patreon shop, and this is the 35 pages. So we've got his journal pages, again, pattern on one side, plain on the other. Then we've got some full ones, which can obviously be used as sheets. Could be used, a lot of them could be used that way, and you can make your ephemera with those as well. We've got a full patterned one. Another one for, you know, centre page, and you can, you know, you can see him on both sides if you wanted to use it as a page. A lovely little town, and a full one of trees. Then I've put a couple of portrait ones in, which if you're back in file folders or the insides of your journals, or obviously, you know, you could have it that way if you wanted, and you can make ephemera with them. So that's those. Then we've got some plainer, so we've got that lovely pattern that's got loads of texture in it. Then this one, then this one, which is like a crunched up paper. And then a lined one. Okay. And then we've got the ephemera. So we've got a big envelope. Got those two. I think I've done the same ephemera in all of the kitchen Christmas kits. They're that way, so you go that way, so you can have it as a, you know, an opening one that way, or you could do it that way. Yeah, again, either journal cards or use them in the 2s, or use them in 4. That one again, love that. And that one with the bell on. And then as fussy cuts, put a big Santa on there. Some snowmen or snow people. Some deers and cats, presents, and starry snowflakes. I can't make my mind up if the stars are snowflakes. Some trees, Christmas trees. Then some more of the shops in a smaller size. I think they're going to make really nice togs. And then some lollipops. Okay, so that one's Pink Christmas, and the one before that was Blushmas. So thank you very much, and yeah, I will see you another day for a crafting video. See you soon. Bye for now.